felt so sensual, yet heavenly. Let her heart twinkle and skip a beat when they mention me. Let her soul become engulfed in light and start surrendering. God, I would do anything. The ancestors know my behavior is a result of what I miss. The ancient Egyptian, righteous, spiritual woman's kiss. And now there is this Western materialism. No love for Sikiri. The serpent's philosophy is his poison, and it is spiritually devastating. No more wasting. There is no tasting. Bravery when in a state of mind of knavery. Honor and soul, spirit and goal. There is more than just war. Whoa. You are more than just hoed. When they control your perspective on mind, body, heart, and soul. I am the hawk that goes where no one dare go. The patron who needs a soulmate most. So do detestable activities in your temples. Soon you will be trampled, set to flame. Learn the name. Judah! This is not a game. Igbo is the mightiest tribe. However, some of us bootlick to the white man who's trying to reduce our size. Spiritually, verily, I proceed in the spirit of Noah and Christ. I need her to bring forth my seed and never stop. Take my heart and never stop, never drop, like a flag during a battle, like Joseph on his way to Egypt with the camel.